Microsoft has taken a significant leap forward in AI integration with the introduction of Copilot, a revolutionary technology that promises to be your new AI best friend. In a world where artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly intertwined with our daily lives, Copilot stands out as a remarkable development that aims to make our interactions with computers more intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable. A leap into the future. Copilot is more than just another AI tool. It represents a leap into the future of human-computer interaction. Microsoft has long been at the forefront of AI research and development, and Copilot is a testament to their commitment to advancing the field. With this new AI companion, Microsoft aims to redefine the way we work, communicate, and create. What is Copilot? Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to assist users in various aspects of their digital lives. It combines natural language processing, machine learning, and an extensive knowledge base to understand and anticipate user needs, ultimately making computing tasks smoother and more efficient. At its core, Copilot is designed to be your virtual collaborator. Whether you're writing code, crafting a report, designing graphics, or even just composing an email, Copilot can step in and provide suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and offer real-time feedback. It's like having a coworker who never gets tired, is always available, and continuously learns and improves. The power of collaboration. One of the most impressive features of Copilot is its ability to collaborate seamlessly with users. Imagine you're a software developer working on a complex coding project. Copilot can analyze your code in real time, identify bugs, suggest improvements, and even provide code snippets to help you overcome challenges. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, guiding you toward cleaner, more efficient code. For writers, Copilot can be a game changer. It can help with grammar and style suggestions, provide synonyms and antonyms, and even generate topic-relevant content ideas. This not only enhances the quality of your writing, but also saves you valuable time. Empowering creativity. Copilot doesn't just excel at mundane tasks. It's also a powerful tool for unleashing creativity. Graphic designers can benefit from Copilot's ability to suggest design elements, color schemes, and layout ideas. It can even generate drafts of designs based on your input, helping you explore new creative avenues. In the world of data analysis, Copilot can assist in interpreting complex datasets, generating insights, and creating interactive visualizations. Researchers and analysts can benefit from its ability to understand the context and provide relevant information quickly. Continuous learning and improvement. What sets Copilot apart from conventional AI tools is its commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Microsoft has designed a Copilot to learn from user interactions, adapt to individual preferences, and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in various domains. This means that the more you use Copilot, the more valuable it becomes as it tailors its assistance to your specific needs. Privacy and security. As with any AI technology, concerns about privacy and security are paramount. Microsoft has taken these concerns seriously and has implemented robust security measures to protect user data and interactions with Copilot. Users can be confident that their information is handled with the utmost care and safeguarded against unauthorized access. The future of productivity. In a world where digital tasks are an integral part of our daily lives, having a reliable and intelligent companion like a Copilot can be a game changer. Microsoft's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI technology has resulted in a tool that promises to enhance productivity, boost creativity, and streamline everyday tasks. Whether you're a developer, a writer, a designer, or anyone who interacts with a computer, Copilot has the potential to become an indispensable part of your toolkit. It's an AI revolution that brings us closer to a future where technology is not just a tool, but a trusted partner in our journey to achieve more. As Microsoft continues to refine and expand the capabilities of Copilot, it's safe to say that AI integration has taken a giant leap forward, and your new AI best friend is here to stay.